Ratchet. Repeat, Mega Hero to Ratchet, come in.
Mega Hero?
Yeah, the fellows and I decided it's time I graduated from Super. It's got a nice ring to it, doesn't it? So I'm chilling here at a Battleplex after party when this foxy young lady tells me she knows of a secret entrance into Nefarious' station. At least I think it's a lady. Hard to tell with the Gorians. Either way, you leave the investigation to me. I've got a plan.
Just as I suspected, Forcelon's making a sweep of the entire sector. Ratchet, head to Zanifar. I'll lead their scouts as far away as I can. Good luck.
My sensors are detecting an unknown anomaly, similar to the one that hit us near Quantum's.
Don't worry, you're sitting this one out. All right, Clank. So where is this time portal?
He did not even turn around. I mean, come on. What life form would not turn around? I hate when shows do that. That hurts. Annihilate. 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 down, Chief. You got a right to protect yourself.
Praise Orvis, a Lombax! Have you come to rescue us?
What happened here?
Dr. Nefarious, he tricked us into helping him build this outpost, and before we knew it, his troops were herding us into detainment camps. They're controlled by that guard tower up there. Please, help us.
Attention, Fongoid guests. In 3 days, Dr. Nefarious will arrive for an inspection of our facilities. Rules for his arrival are as follows. Number 1, eye contact with the Exalted One is forbidden. Number 2, obnoxious noises, such as crying and show tune singing, are gravely discouraged. Number 3, use of the word redonkulous is strictly prohibited. Thank you.
What do you need? Orvis? The Zoni? He would never be anywhere but the clock. Think of the danger we'd all be in. Probably at his space station in the Bernilius sector. He only uses this facility to manufacture his troopers. The containment grid is controlled from that guard tower. You have to find a way up there.
Attention, we have a code blue at Oil Derrick Kappa. Repeat, code blue at Oil Derrick Kappa. Attention, Fongoid guests. This is a reminder that all permanent residents of the Tongley Outpost should stand at least 4 feet away from the containment grid. We don't want any more accidents here, now do we? Fongoid guests, if you have been assigned work at the Nefarious space station, your handlers will arrive shortly to escort you to the green zone. Now would be a good time to say goodbye to your loved ones. Attention, Fongoid guests. If you have been assigned work at the Nefarious space station, your handlers will arrive shortly to escort you to the green zone. Now would be a good time to say goodbye to your loved ones.
You scared me. I thought you were one of the troops. They've been searching for me ever since I escaped the detainment camp. I need to get back to my hut before they close in. Can you help me get through the ivy?
Thanks, Ed. Come on, we'd better get moving before they find us. This was all farmland just a couple of years ago. I used to plant gardens all around the village, but I stopped when Nefarious crashed here. Now, can't remember why exactly.
We come in peace.